the other organizations worldwide. This is going to be a great platform where our members can interact in future with all these members, all these things, all these organizations. So welcome to JCOM JC Chamber of Commerce. JC India is presenting JCOM, one of a fantastic business program for exclusively for JCI members. What is JCOM? It is a business area program. As I said, it is exclusively for only JCI members. Only the purpose of bringing JCOM is to develop the business of our JCI members. That is why we coined as it is an exclusive program only for our JCI members. The objective of this program, as I said, it is to develop business opportunity for JCI members. Who can join in JCOM is any individual. He or she may be a profession, self-employed, and entrepreneur who is either an active or associate or alumni member of JCI India can join JCOM through proper application. I will explain you in the process how to apply all those details. What are its benefits when we join a platform where its members get business opportunity through active networking, and we will be conducting the meetings through a systematic procedure and training, because we all know that JCI is so powerful in training. So we will be using our training network and training platform and our trainers for the benefit of our JCOM members, which is going to be a great advantage for all of us. And also it enables every JCOM member to grow their business volume with confidence, because the backbone of JCOM is going to be JCI. How the concept works? Generally, people say when we take about statistics, we believe that 92% of consumers trust referral from people they know when they want to buy a product. Consumers referred by a friend are 4 times more likely to buy a product. When referred by other customers, people have 37% higher retention rate. These are some of the justifications how referrals will work in the market or in business. My dear friends, think about 50 plus businessmen promoting your business. How it will be? Generally, for development of business, we will be using marketing executives, advertisement, various strategies to develop business. But my dear friends, think over 50 plus well-known, reputed business people working for your business and promoting your business. What will be the position of your product in the market? We in advertisement generally we will be calling movie stars or cricket stars like Virat Kohli will be coming for an advertisement. Because when Virat Kohli speaks about a product, it gives an advantage for the people. The belief system of the people will be more. Likewise, if a well-known, reputed person in your community says that, yes, I have bought a computer from so-and-so, he is a good friend of mine, if you need computer, somebody can buy it. That speaks volume for your business. This is going to be a great advantage in our JCOM. JCOM helps to grow your business through confirmed connections, because these are all our reputed persons, our friends who are giving the connection. So conversion will be more in our JCOM. Suppose one person gives 200 connections for us in a year. Suppose in a table, in a group of JCOM, in a single table, a group of members, we call it as a table. In a table, 50 members are there. Suppose every member gives 200 connections for you in 1 year. Every year you will be able to get 10,000 connects. Remember, your business is going to get 10,000 referrals or connects in 1 year, which the leads are going. Mostly we will be getting a confirmed leads. Then you think about the development of your business. In addition, you have more opportunity to network with members of other table also. This is also a unique feature which JCOM is bringing to you. which no other organization of this kind is having. And you can grow your network exponentially. Your network is your net worth. Now we move on to the JCOM tables. One individual business group in a town or a city or a group of people is called as a table. But one table, like what we call it as our log, is we call it as a table. One table can admit only one person from the same profession or classification. What we call them as a category, because we don't want any competition between our table members. So we admit only one person from a category for that business. We have got different types of table. Live table, where members of the same area will meet physically every week on a fixed day for 90 minutes and discuss their business development. We call it as a live table. For this, the entire agenda, script of the agenda, what to be done, everything will be provided by our JCOM. As our IPNP was saying, last almost 6 months to 8 months, this committee has undergone a rigorous exercise to bringing out this agenda and the concept of JCOM. Already, this concept we have tested almost more than 2 years, how it works successfully. So it is coming out to you, a hard work of 2.5 years. This JCOM is coming to you as a gift from JC India, which is going to benefit our members. As I said already, we are the only organization in this country, rather I can say in this world, which is having 4 types of table for our members. We are forecasting future. That's why we have come out with an additional type of table. We call it the virtual table. It is a unique future as far as in the world. I can say only JCOM is having this type of table, exclusively virtual table. Now people without having an option, they are going for virtual meeting, but we have a officially virtual table for our members, where members anywhere from the same country will meet virtually every week on a fixed day for 90 minutes and discuss their business development. My dear friends, think about a person sitting over in Kashmir can sell saffron to people sitting over in Trivandrum. The person sitting over in Trivandrum can sell some goods to person sitting over in Calcutta. The person sitting over in Calcutta can sell some product to people sitting over in Kanyakumari. Think about the network, power of network we are going to have when this virtual table is start going to work in our JCOM platform. My dear friends, remember, some of the member is very good in a poor member is becoming a member of a virtual table. He will be able to sell coffee powder to entire people. You will be getting a coffee powder or a reference for a coffee powder for the member throughout India. Think over that, how this network is going to work. So this virtual table is going to be a boon for our JCI India members. And also we feel proud that only JCI India JCOM is having this kind of table. This is one of the unique feature of our JCOM. Also, we have got one more table classification as association table, where members of the same type of business area will meet physically once in fortnight on a fixed day for 90 minutes and discuss their business development. My dear friends, suppose an engineering construction field, a person is joining as a member in your JCOM Trivandrum. And if you take entire Kerala, all the construction engineers will be having a database because we are dividing by classification. And if you are inviting them, all the engineers to form an association table. Suppose from 50 engineers are joined in this association table. Think about an example. If one engineer is asking for 5,000 bags of cement, the other is asking for 10,000. So total, when we make a sum of 1 lakh cement bags per month requirement from these 50 engineers, and you can be able to have a powerful quote You can ask them, or you can request 4 or 5 companies to send a bid for you. We need 1 lakh bags of cement. Please send me your bid. Who can supply cheap for us? This is going to be the power of association table and networking, my dear friends. This is, if this is happened, think about the volumes which we are going to get and the price our members are going to get benefited in this table. This is going to be an awesome one. The next one is international virtual table, where members anywhere from the world will meet virtually every week on a fixed day for 90 minutes and discuss their business development. My dear friends, this is yet another, we have not yet activated. We will be bringing out this classification in a few more months. Once this gets activated, JCOM, again I can challenge, no other organization of this kind in this world is having this setup. Already, rightly said by IPNP, we are starting in JCI India with 50,000 members. But believe me, friends, for when we start this international virtual table, we will be starting with 120 countries. One by one, it comes, it takes few years also. Soon, the 120 country people who are in JCI platform can trade with us. A person sitting over in Trivandrum or a person sitting over in Kerala, some rural area also, can start business with transaction with a person sitting over in Hong Kong, China, Japan, German. The entire world will be under one platform. Think about the power of international virtual table. We can also challenge that this is a unique future. Only JCOM, JCI India is having. We are the first in the world to bring out such a wonderful features. So we can, when we are talking about JCI, from today, after some time of tomorrow, maybe after 6 months, 1 year, once this JCOM flights take over, as said by our chairman, we can proudly say to the member, we are the people who are working for the real development of the business. We are bringing the entire world under one roof or in a 13-inch screen laptop or even a 5-inch mobile screen. This is going to be the power of JCOM, my dear friends. What are the other advantages? As I said, only JCOM has 4 different type of tables. Network of JCI is going to play a major role. Strength of JCI India training. We know a lot of our trainers are taking training programs in the other organizations. When these people will start working for our business people, think about the amount of training we are going to get from the support of JCI. Socialize with a unique business group. My dear friends, suppose JCOM is organizing a zone level 6 month once we are planning for a conclave. Think of me. We are already having a concept called JIB in our zone. As I said, we have tested for 2 years. Whenever we conduct a program like conclave for JIB in our zone, our income will be 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. We will be generating income through this conference. We will be conducting this conference in a 5-star hotel for a day. These 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs minimum amount will be a good fundraising for our zone programs and which will be useful for our JCI members. If your LOM is getting business people during installation or some programs, you can invite sponsorship. You will not believe some LOMs in our zone, which already we have been working, when they are conducting an installation program, people used to get 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh sponsorship for installation, where after all the expenses, the president will be able to get 50 to 80,000 rupees as an income for the LOM through installation. This is going to be a reality when more business group people join in our JCOM. And since they are getting business in JCOM, they will be happily giving the contributions to our organization. Think this is going to be a great opportunity for us. Pool purchase through association tables. As I said, One example, like construction. You take an example of lawyers. A person sitting over in Cochin can refer a lawyer if he wants. Some lawyer in Mumbai, he can take a reference. Some lawyer you can take from Delhi, you can get it. Likewise, we will be having a more powerful of association tables. This is going to be yet another great advantage. And international network, we are going to get where local growing global. Person without spending much sitting over locally can do global business, which is a dream for a lot of people. Through this JCOM, we will be opening the gates of international trade for our JCI members. Think the opportunity we are going to get from this in the days to come. Also, now we go to how to start it. Either you can join an existing table, or you can start a table with minimum 10 members and maximum limit for table is 60 members. You can go to jcombiz.com page in our website, and you can, if you want to start a table, you can click start a table. You provide all the details. JCI India will create a table for you and get back to you within 48 hours. If you want to join as a member, you click the tab join member. You will be directed to an Android app or an iOS app. Right now, iOS app is not there. Within 2-3 days, we will be getting the iOS approval also. Some technical issues is going on that. We will be getting soon. iOS app also. You can download the iOS or Play Store app, and you can register you as a member in the app. It is a fully automated system. So it is only condition you have to be a member of JCI India. Once you register it, it will go to payment gateway. You make the payment, JCI India will check your membership ID and they will be approving your members. Once it is approved, you can log on to the page. The enrollment fees is just 2,000 rupees per member per year, plus GST. Renewal fees every year we will be collecting 2,000 per member per year. And also, if it is a live table, sitting fees, their hall rent. If you are going for a food or extra, whatever you are, or tea, coffee, snacks, whatever expenses you are incurring, you have to collect it at a sitting fees with the table members, and you have to share it with your members. If it is a virtual, you have to decide, the table, local table has to decide how they are going to share the meeting expenses. JCOM administrative board consists of a coach. A coach will be appointed by JCI India, a chairman, vice chairman, secretary cum treasurer. 2 directors will be having to administer the tables. The administrative board consists of coach, who is regularly guiding their allotted JCOM tables. There will be a bridge between JCOM zone board and the JCOM table. The chairman, who will be in charge of running the script of the agenda, plus attendance list they will be maintaining. In absence of chairman, vice chairman will be in charge. Secretary cum treasurer will be a bridge between JCOM and table and finance of the table. And 2 directors, in absence of vice chairman and secretary, any of the directors will take care, and more details we will be giving you to how to run a table. Only condition is the current LOM president or a zone board member cannot take the post of chairman of any JCOM table. Dress code is business formal as recommended by JCOM. Attendance is the most essential to continue the membership of JCOM. See, nobody can help you in attendance. Maximum 6 absences are allowed in 6 months, which is the duration of administrative board for the rolling month. If you are absent more than 6 months, six absences are there for you, then you will lose your JCOM membership. Also, your category of business will be opened where some other people can come in and take your category, because your absence is a direct loss to 59 members of the table. Suppose a table is having 60 members, your absence will be felt, and all the 59 other members will be feeling your absence. The table will not grow if you are not having attendance in the table. My dear friends, networking is not just about connecting people. It's about connecting people with people, people with ideas and people with opportunity. So we are not only these people is going to give you business. These other 59 persons in your table is going to give ideas. 59 businessmen is going to give you ideas to develop your business, and they are going to give you more opportunities to develop your business. Because of JCOM, earlier I said JIB, our lot of people have started a new business also because of these activities. So this is going to be the power of networking, my dear friends. And now your gateway to grow is open to you. Soon we'll be having more programs for our members. Right now we have started with an introductory orientation program. The next program, once the table is formed, we'll be conducting leadership orientation program for all the coaches, chairman, secretary, directors, what will be their role, how to run the table successfully, what is the agenda. All those things we'll be discussing in the leadership orientation program, LOP. Then members orientation program, where members will be taking a training program. We'll be conducting the program. What is their role in the meetings, how to execute their roles effectively. We are going to teach in the membership orientation program and trainers orientation program, where we are going to train our coaches for this program. These are the 4 more programs we have formed systematically. Right now, the presentation manual in English and manual in Hindi, or everything is ready. Only the trainers has to undergo the training with JC India. After they get certificate only, they will be allowed to conduct these 4 programs. A certification is a must to conduct all these programs, my dear friends. So this is all about JCOM. Soon we will meet at few more opportunities and discuss about JCOM. Let us grow together. Now I am opening the floor for questions. Any questions or any doubts, you can start asking.
Can a member become a member of a local live chapter, live table, as well as an international table or a national level virtual table at the same time?
Yeah, they can be a member of one category. He can have one membership. No issue.
No, at the same time, can he be a member of a local table as well as a virtual table in some other way?
Yeah,
multiple tables.
Yeah, he can be a member of one virtual table, one live table, one association table, and one international table.
But fees is just 2,000 rupees.
Yeah, for every type of table, you have to pay 2,000.
So table wise, 2,000 rupees, right?
Yeah, table wise. 2,000.
Thank you.
Is it possible to join SMA members?
Pardon?
Sir, is it possible to join SMA members?
It is not audible.
SMA, sir. SMA.
Yeah,
SMA.
members can join. Because they are becoming our associate members, so automatically they can join.
How to apply to start a chapter? How to start a table?
You have to visit jcombiz.com website. That website, there is a column, start a table. You can fill in the key in the some of the details. They will contact the zone president, and the chairman of zone JCOM will get a mail, and JC India will be able to create a table.
I already applied that thing, but no response came. That's why I asked.
Zone 21, which
22.
table you applied?
22, sir. 22.
Zone 22, sorry, which table you applied? Name?
Kottayam, Dominus.
Kottayam. When you applied?
Maybe immediately after the inauguration of our JCOM.
Now only 22 chairman.
I will look into that. I will look into that.
You have appointed the chairman. Once it is through, then we will be contacting through chairman. 1 or 2 days we will form that. Okay. No issue.
Thank you.
Does our app has opportunity to give leads through the application, register the business receipt, and all these records like the app facility of BNI?
Yeah, we have more advantage than other. We don't want to name other organizations. Okay, we have got one of the most advanced mobile application. Even attendance is a barcoded attendance. Once you scan the QR code, the attendance will be automatically marked during the timing. We will be able to have cross table connections also we will be able to give, and we have lot of programs lined up, which is going to be a great advantage when compared to the other organizations. No, no. All these things, data can be, we call it as a connect. Once the business happened, we will give it a G note. All these things will be there. And right now, the social media, e-commerce is a sensation. We have a provision. We request every member to have a showcase also, which will be projected in our social media also. All this marketing access also will be getting for our members. This is going to be one of the most advanced platform as far as my knowledge is concerned.
Sir, if a JCA member want to become a JCO member and he doesn't have any nearby tables where he can join, because the tables may take some time to form up, is it that he can use this facility to network with all other member, or is it mandatory to be part of one of the table?
He or she has to be a mandatory part of a table. Okay, he can join a virtual table, no issue. That's why we brought out with a category called virtual table. That person can join in a virtual table. Once you download the application, it will show the virtual table members in your zone. Virtual tables available in your zone, then you can join, select any of the table and you can join.
So if there is so if there is no live table, he can join the virtual table. When the live table is ready, he can join the live table, right, sir? At that time.
They can take a transfer. They have to send a transfer request mail, marking the copy to concerned authority. JCND will transfer the information. No issue.
Is there any table formation fee?
No table formation fees, only membership fees.
Tom ചോദിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ Tom?
Pardon?
No, sir, no.
So any more
As
doubts?
of now, how many tables are there in all over India? Any numbers, virtual table or maybe direct table?
Right now, we only completed, we are coming zone wise. Right now, we have completed zone 17 because already existing tables are there. So zone 17, right now, I think 19 or 20 tables is activated. Zone 21, second table has come. We'll be having around 20. Right now, only we are moving little bit away from, after 17, we are coming to 21, and now the third zone we are going to inaugurate is 20.
Any other country started this JCO
Oh,
concept?
virtual international table, we are not going to start in this year, next year only. Okay, after reach a sizable number only, we are going for an international.
Sir, is it JCA India's initiative or JCA World's initiative, this one,
It is-
JCO?
It is an initiative of JCA India. Any more doubts or questions?
So if there's any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask, or you can post your questions in the chat box too.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bala sir. Well addressed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I think no doubt, sir.
Sir, hello. Is it audible, sir?
Tom Jojo.
Yeah, okay. In a table, only one category of business is allowed, right?
Yeah, a person can represent only one category in a table.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
sir, one doubt that I have is what is associate of JCI? Who all can join? In that there was one point regarding associates, no? Members, associates, and people who are joining JCOM.
Surendra, could you speak louder?
Sir, I wanted to know, there was this, in the slide that says who all can join JCOM, there was one term called associate. Could you please explain that once more?
It's a type of
Associate-
membership.
She is asking for associate membership.
Yeah. Didar, you can better explain. Current officer of National.
Yeah. So like 18 to 40 is the active members for JCI India, and anyone who turns like above 40, he should be considered as associate member. So any associate member, any active member, any SMA member, 3 of them can join.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but for a person to be a member of JCOM, that person should have JC's
Membership.
Yeah, any member who's a
Membership,
member of JCI India, either active member, either associate member, either he should be a like SMA member. 3 of them can. It is must to be member of JCOM.
Okay.
These 3 any of the 3 categories, only then one can join JCOM. Because it is an initiative for the JCI India members only.
That is anyone who is paying membership fee to JCI India.
That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, how can we conduct the live programs right now in the pandemic situation?
That's what live is not possible. You can conduct it virtually. No issues. See, it depends from place to place, but we are not looking if this pandemic will be maximum for some time. So we are started with this future concept only. Those who are not able to conduct live, they can go for a virtual.
And also when we can get the coach?
Coach 10-15 days. Once you form the table, we can give the coach immediately. If you form the table also, we can give the coach, because in our zone we are operating, a lot of people are there. We will guide you how to open the coach. Maximum weeks time, 10 days we will be providing the coach. From tomorrow we are starting a trainers orientation program. 4 days we will be doing that. After that, next week we will be able to appoint coaches. Right now we will be able to give only virtually. Soon we will be coming after a month's time, once we get the people trained from the zones. That's why we requested zone presidents to give the identify minimum 2 trainers and give it to us. We will train them also. So then we will getting a live meetings also.
What are the supports we can expect from the trainers?
Trainers, they will be guiding you to conduct the business, how to take business, how to give business, how to run the show, what are the agendas to be followed, what are the systems to be observed, what is the reporting systems. All these things we have got a module is our module is now Pakka ready. So they will be guiding it systematically, because we have been tested the system for 2 years, 2.5 years we have tested, and we are giving you a tested system to only to as a check. No issues.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Our app has been tested. Everything has been tested and approved. So there we hope there will be no bugs or something, no big challenges you are going to face.
Thank you, sir.
The trial run was made in zone 17, right, sir?
Yeah, 2 years, almost a similar app we are giving. Only we have added the features of types of table, all those things. So it is good. Only people have to get used for this system. That coaches will initially, coaches from outside you will be getting. Once you run it for 6 months to 1 year, then you will be able to train other zones also, because we will be getting used for all those systems. That will be not a big deal.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
So, if I'm Suraj from JCI Trivandrum Smart City, my doubt is if a person has got multiple activities. Multiple activities means he is into multiple business, which can be the primary, as per the table. I have understood that I can or we can or join only one person under one category. I mean, if there is one builder, there cannot be any builders in that group. I think so, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So if the same builder is into another one more activity like digital marketing company, if he is owning a digital marketing company, what can he be allowed in a category if there
It
is?
cannot be allowed in other categories because if a person, suppose this is all networking only, this all happens. Okay, this table runs. This is, if suppose 5 people is having 10 categories each.
Okay.
Okay, these 5 people will take away all the 10 categories. So 50 categories will be over in a table.
Okay.
And these 5 people cannot give a business to rest of the people, no? Rest of the people getting business. Think about 59 others giving a business to one person is something different, right? So make this concept run successfully, we need only one person from one category so that we will be having 59 people. And if he wants to join, you should make one more member of the family to be a member of JCA and they can join JCOM table so that he will be able to take one more category.
Okay. Understood.
Your core business should be your category.
Yeah, only core business you should have.
Otherwise, can join to any other table for getting another profession?
No. One person can join in only one type of table in one category. Otherwise, we know these companies, certain companies are looking for marketing. No, they will immediately pitch 5-10 members. Even in this, I will tell you one is a good friend of mine, so I can say that one tally dealer has made his executive in all 12 tables of our zone, and he has made his executive join in the table. He has brought in 12 members to the organization, and those 12 executives have been made as a member in JCOM, taking one category, tally marketing. 12 different places. He said, we can't stop it. No, he is taking the loophole. I am joining a new member. I am taking a category.
So the opportunities are unlimited. We need to tap out.
Yeah. Believe me, he's doing a fantastic business also.
Is this open only?
Pardon?
Okay. Is this open only in India or elsewhere?
No, right now we are open only in India.
If a category is open, and if a category is open, and a particular member is having another business also, is it possible to promote 2 business?
No,
in the absence
we will be promoting only one business. We will allow only one business officially, but unofficially,
That's my question.
See, if I am doing 2-3 business, the person, the face of my business, if suppose I am the face of my business, people will, after the meeting, they will discuss what else you are doing. So people will come to know if we are giving connections, we are not stopping them also. Okay, that is how it goes. But once you start running all these doubts, you will be getting clear. If you are going with the system, then you will use to know how it goes, how it operates, then it will be easy. Running 4-5 meetings, then the system will be set. The
You might have
to take care is attendance. If attendance is dropping, this concept will be a big challenge. So from the day one, you have to have a strict vigilance on attendance. That's one challenge.
You might have cardinal rules, right? People who should some things that you shouldn't do. Cardinal rules. Is there anything like that? Some kind of a cardinal rules?
Yeah, do's and don'ts. Once we come for the member orientation program, they will be teaching all those things, do's and don'ts. And even do's and don'ts we have for our chairmans also. All those things we will be taking in the course itself.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody else?